Hello friends and students, once again welcome to my channel Maths Tips for You. We have started with indefinite integrations. In indefinite integration, we are seeing the integration by parts. This is our video part 21. From part 1 to part 20, I have given link in the description box. Now, in this video, we will learn a, a typical type of example. If the example are this type, integration of e raised to x, f of x plus its derivative, f dash of x, then its integration is e raised to x, f of x plus c. Now, all this example belongs to this category. Now, observe that in every example there is a e raised to x function, e raised to something, e raised to something, e raised to x, e raised to x, e raised to x, e raised to x. Now, in this type of example, we have to recognize which is f of x and which is of its derivative. If you know function and its derivative, then you can write its integration e raised to x f of x plus c. For example, in first example, it is given integration of e raised to x 1 plus tan square x dx. Now we take 1 plus tan square x together. What happen? We shall see 1 plus tan square x plus tan x dx. 1 plus tan square x identity is it is equal to sec square x. 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x. So, this is equal to e raised to x tan x plus sec square x, and we know that sec square x is the derivative of tan x. So, f of x is equal to tan x and its derivative is sec square x. So, with this formula, integration of e raised to x f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e raised to x f of x plus c. So, its integration is e raised to x, f of x is tan x plus c. So, this is the answer. Next, number 2, integration of e raised to tan inverse x bracket 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x square dx. Now, we use substitution method. For tan x we can take t. Put tan inverse x is equal to t. Its derivative is 1 upon 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt. It is there dx upon 1 plus x square, and therefore, the given integration become e raised to t. Now, we replace x is equal to tan t. So, it is 1 plus tan t plus tan square t dx upon 1 plus x square is dt. Now, it is same as the previous example. So, you can take 1 plus tan square t as sec square t. Tan t, the derivative of tan t is sec square t, and so this is equal to e raised to t tan t plus sec square t dt. So, this is equal to, by the formula, it is e raised to t into f of t is equal to tan t plus c is equal to, now putting the value of t is equal to tan inverse of x and x is equal to tan t. So, it is into x plus c. So, this is the answer. Example, integration of e raised to x 2 plus sin of 2x upon 1 plus cos of 2x is equal to e raised to x. For sin of 2x I can write 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x cos x, half angle formula, divided by 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x dx is equal to e raised to x. We can take 2 common, 1 plus sin x cos x upon cos square x, taking 2 also common, dx. So 2 get cancelled, is equal to e raised to x. We divide to each term by cos square x, 1 upon cos square x plus sin x into cos x upon cos square x dx is equal to e raised to x. Cos square x means 1 upon cos square x is sec square x, plus here we get one factor of cos x, cancel with cos x. So sin upon cos, it is become tan x dx. Now it is f of x is tan x, its derivative is sec square x, and it is multiplied by e raised to x. So its answer is e raised to x into tan x plus c. Next example, integration of e raised to x upon 1 plus x bracket square dx. Number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7 and in number 8, all are to be here. We have to adjust the terms f of x and f dash of x. So in first example, I write this is as e raised to x, I add 1 and subtract 1, x plus 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus x bracket square dx is equal to integration of e raised to x plus 1 upon 1 plus x bracket square minus 1 upon 1 plus x bracket square dx is equal to e raised to x. Here one factor of 1 plus x square cancel with x plus 1. So it is 1 upon 1 plus x minus 1 upon 1 plus x bracket square dx. If you take f of x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x, then its derivative f dash of x is equal to, it is equal to 1 plus x raised to minus 1. So it is minus 1 upon minus 1 into 1 plus x raised to 1 minus 1. So this is minus 1 upon minus 1 plus x raised to minus 2. This is minus 1 upon 1 plus x bracket square. It is f dash of x, and therefore by using formula integration of e raised to x f of x into f dash of x dx is equal to e raised to x f of x, and here f of x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x. So its answer is e raised to x into 1 upon 1 plus x plus c. The example number 5 is same as the example number 4. Here we add 1 and subtract 1. So it is become x plus 4. So x plus 4 plus minus 1. So you will get the same answer like this. So it is left to you as an exercise. I will solve the example number 6. Integration of e raised to x minus 1 upon x plus 1 raised to 3 dx. Here I add 1 and subtract 1. So this is equal to e raised to x plus 1 minus 1 upon x plus 1 raised to 3 dx. Now dividing this to each term, it is equal to e raised to x bracket x plus 1 upon x plus 1 raised to 3 minus 1 upon x plus 1 raised to 3 dx is equal to e raised to x. Here one factor of x plus 1 cancel with x plus 1, so it is upon x plus 1 bracket square minus 1 upon x plus 1 raised to 3 dx. Now if we take f of x is equal to 1 upon x plus 1 bracket square, which is equal to x plus 1 raised to minus 2. So its derivative is minus 2 x plus 1 raised to minus 2 minus 1. So it is minus 2 upon x plus 1 raised to 3. Here I added 1 and subtracted 1. So here it is should be minus 2. So it is 2. So it is also 2. And therefore, f of x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x bracket square. Its derivative is minus 2 upon 1 plus x raised to 3 dx. So its value is answer is e raised to x 1 upon x plus 1 bracket square plus c. So this is answer. Example number 7, integration of e raised to x 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x bracket square dx. Now add minus 1 and subtract minus 1. So it is equal to integration of e raised to x square minus 1 and adding 1 plus 1 it is become 2 upon 1 plus x bracket square dx. So dividing to each term by 1 plus x bracket square is equal to e raised to x square minus 1 upon 1 plus x bracket square plus 2 upon 1 plus x bracket square dx is equal to e raised to x. We can factorize this. Its factor is x minus 1 and x plus 1 upon 1 plus x bracket square plus 2 times 1 plus x bracket square dx. So cancel the factor x plus 1 both in numerator and denominator. Integration of e raised to x, here x minus 1 upon 1 plus x plus 2 upon 1 plus x bracket square dx. Now if you take this is as a first function, put f of x is equal to x minus 1 upon 1 plus x, then its derivative f dash of x is equal to, it is u upon v using integration u upon v. So it is v into 1 plus x into derivative of x minus derivative of u minus x minus 1, that is u into derivative of v, that is 1 plus x upon 1 plus x bracket square is equal to derivative of x plus 1 is 1. So 1 plus x into 1 minus x minus 1, derivative of 1 plus x is also 1. So this is equal to, so x 1 plus x minus x plus 1 by multiply minus inside the bracket upon 1 plus x bracket square is equal to x minus 8 gets cancelled, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 upon 1 plus x bracket square. So it is f dash of x. So f of x is this, f dash of x is this, and therefore its solution is e raised to x f of x. F of x is x minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus some constant. So this is its integration. Number 8, integration of e raised to x 1 minus x upon 1 plus x square bracket square dx is equal to e raised to x, here 1 minus x bracket square upon 1 plus x square bracket square dx is equal to e raised to x. Now expanding this bracket, 1 plus x square minus 2x upon 1 plus x square bracket square dx is equal to, we divide to each term. Here 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x square bracket square minus 2x upon 1 plus x square bracket square dx is equal to e raised to x. Here one factor of 1 plus x square get cancelled with 1 plus x square. So 1 upon 1 plus x square minus 2x upon 1 plus x square bracket square dx. Now if you take this is a f of x, so put f of x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square, that is 1 plus x square raised to minus 1. So f dash of x is equal to minus 1 1 plus x square raised to minus 2 into derivative of 1 plus x square, it is 2x. So it is minus 2x upon 1 plus x square bracket square. It is same as f dash of x, and therefore its integration is e raised to x, f of x is 1 plus x square plus c. So this is the answer. There are also some more example. Here we need to use appropriate substitution method. See, these are this type of the examples. In first, integration of sine of log x plus cos of log x. Here we have to use log x is equal to t. Therefore, x is equal to e raised to t. The derivative differentiating with respect to t, we get tx is equal to e raised to t dt, and therefore the given example is reduces to sine of t plus cos of t, dx is replaced with e raised to t dt. Now if you take f of x is sin x, x derivative is cos x, and so its value is equal to e raised to t into sin t plus some constant is equal to e raised to x is e raised to t is equal to x into sin of t is equal to log x plus c. So answer of this example is x into sin log x plus c. Now next example, integration of 1 upon log x minus 1 upon log x bracket square dx. Now put log x is equal to t. Therefore, x is equal to e raised to t. Differentiating with respect to t, dx is equal to e raised to t dt. So this integration become 1 upon t minus 1 upon t square e raised to t dt. So this is equal to, if you take 1 upon t as f of x, f of t, then its derivative is 1 upon minus 1 upon t square. So answer of this is e raised to t 1 upon t plus c. E raised to t is equal to x and t is equal to log x. So 1 of x upon log x plus c. So this is the answer. Now next 11th example, integration of log x minus 1 upon 1 plus log x bracket square dx. Similarly, we put log x is equal to t. So x is equal to e raised to t, dx is equal to e raised to t dt. So this is become dx is replaced by e raised to t. Here t minus 1 upon 1 plus t square bracket square dt. It is same as 1 minus t upon 1 plus x square bracket square. So it is same as the example number 7. The only thing is that you have to take minus sign common, being a square, so it is become positive. So this is as e raised to t 1 minus t bracket square upon 1 plus t square bracket square dt. So its value is, this is the example number 8, e raised to x, integer e raised to x 1 minus x square 1 minus x upon 1 plus x square bracket square. It is same as this example, and so its value is e raised to t upon 1 plus x square 1 plus t square plus c is equal to e raised to t is x upon 1 plus t is equal to log x bracket square plus c. So this is the answer. In this way, we have solved the example of the type e raised to x f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e raised to x into f of x. So we have covered all this example under this format, under this form. So thanking you for watching my video.